I'm sorry. My hair is a little bit ruffled. Good morning. Welcome back again in another episode. This episode is inside the car because I just had a moment of revelation or a moment of truth or a moment of realization. I want to say today is the beginning of the week. Today is a new resolution to you to determine what is in your bucket list to achieve today. I was listening some time ago to a video about multitasking and how multitasking can be a burden on your mind. So you find yourself starting your day, having your cup of coffee, and then wanting to achieve something and you're kind of like unable to do so. The reason probably are stacking up so many things that you're not able to achieve altogether. And this sort of stacking is going to add burden on you. What you need to do is to prioritize and deprioritize items that are not necessary, that are peripheral, that are tertiary to you, and items or things. And I say things because everybody has different responsibilities and commitments and duties. So it is really hard to determine that this is the thing that is applicable to everyone. You need to come to a realization that the kind of priorities that you have ranking. And this ranking should be your priority. So choose 1, 2, or 3 that are achievable and try to achieve them today. You know, this is December. This is the end of the year. You have to pause for a second and think, what have you achieved this year? What are you planning to achieve next year? I haven't traveled this year because I was really busy with some sort of commitments and with my PhD and with settling back at some work that I've been trying to do and rediscover myself, my identity, who I am, and where I am heading. Also discover some books, inspire people, create some video content for my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. There are so many things that I've gone through actually this year. Some of them are personal, private to me, to my family, to my life, and also working on my next book that I'm trying to publish, that I'm having a little bit of struggle and trying to not cut corners when prior to publishing it. I want you to rediscover yourself by asking yourself, what am I? What am I trying to do? Where should I head next year? Where do you see yourself in the coming year? Are you still the same person doing the same kind of boring job, getting stuck in the same traffic, getting stuck with the same boss or manager that is bullying you or mistreating you? Or are you trying to think out of the box, try something different, be the boss of yourself, invest more in your quality time, read more? These kind of realizations everybody comes to at certain points in their life. So this is just a shout out message to everyone who's trying to start a new year. I try to start it with new realizations, with new resolutions, with new decisions, and make them possible by prioritizing them. Have a wonderful day.